Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and thanks for joining today's training call. Now in today's session, I want to share with you the 3 essential affiliate marketing tools that, quite frankly, I just couldn't live without. Now in today's session, I want to just give you a really quick overview of what these tools are and why I use them within my own business and how these tools allow me to make 5 figures plus every single month. Now, this is one of the biggest things about starting your own online business is knowing what tools to invest in and what things actually you just don't need to buy. So stay tuned in this video. I'm going to reveal all 3 of the essential affiliate marketing tools that I am using day in and day out to build my business. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell, because over the next few weeks video course, I'm going to be sharing with you more tips, tricks, secrets, and going into more detail, particularly about these essential tools so that you have all the information that you need to start your own online business. So without further ado, let's jump in, guys, and take a look at tool number 1 that I just couldn't live without. It's called Convertri. Come check this out. Now, this screen you see here, this is the Convertri homepage. And this is the page that you guys are going to see. I'm going to put a link down in the description below so that you guys can go and grab a free trial. You're going to get 14 days free to give this a play and find out just why I'm so fanatical about this tool. But I want to just show you guys, actually, you can take a look at this sales page, but I want to show you inside of the actual software. And this is what it looks like here, guys. Okay, this is the Convertri page builder, and pretty much all of my pages now that I use, I'm creating inside of Convertri. Alright, now all of my reviews, you'll see things like this is one of my review pages, and this has been created inside of Convertri. So I create, a nice title, I embed my YouTube videos, alright, and some of the reviews that I do on my channel of other products. Lots of other information, okay, I can add in images, videos, I can put in links, I can track all of this stuff. But the best bit of all, now there is other page builders out there, right guys, you've probably heard of ClickFunnels, maybe you've even tried some of these other ones. The best thing of all for me, and the reason why Convertri wins hands down, is for 2 reasons. One is it is a completely free-form editor. So let me just show you exactly what that means. So let me go, let's just go into this one here for today. So let me just go ahead and open up this page here. And this is the page that you're going to see actually below this YouTube video that I've been working on. So this is the 3 essential affiliate marketing tools, which is what today's topic is all about. But here's the beauty of it, right? Now, with ClickFunnels, you can only put stuff in certain places, okay? They've got to be kind of like a boxy layout. But here's what I can do here. So if I want to make this video smaller, I can do that. I want to make that video start from here, I can do that. Alright, I can get rid of that. I can change any element on the page for any reason. I can add images, text, panels, countdown timers. I can have background videos. So like they have running here, they have a video running behind the back of their actual website. And again, you can do that. This page itself was created in Convertri. Okay, so it's very easy to do as well, to do those sort of things. But the most important thing for me is the speed. So I've just ran this through the Google Page Speed Insights. So this is the page you see here, dansbonus.com/botstar. So this is my review for Botstar product that released a few days ago. And you can see that the score is 94 out of 100, which is pretty much at the very, very top of what you can get. Now this is a web page which is pretty heavy. We've got an embedded YouTube video. We've got a number of different images here. Okay, these are high quality images. Another image here, more images here. Again, we've got all of these images on the page here as well. Lots of text, we've got a video as I say there, another image up here. So it is pretty intensive website. And this is ranking at 94 out of 100 on speed, which if you don't know, speed is one of the most important factors for ranking in Google, right? Now again, if we look at this video that went out, this page, sorry, for the video that went out yesterday, this is about JV Zoo. Now if you didn't catch that video, I'll pop that up on the cards up at the top so you guys can take a look at that. But if you see, this achieved 97 out of 100. And in fact, if we look at what actually went wrong and what it says we should fix to get that 100, it's YouTube. It's their very own thing. So literally we've got YouTube here. This is setting the parameters for YouTube. This is the embed. Everything that it recommends pretty much I should be improving on is actually YouTube, which I can't improve on really because it's just a video embed. Alright, so they are very, very fast pages. They look beautiful both on desktop and on mobile as well, and it is a tool that I seriously cannot imagine being without. Now, what I want you guys to do is down below this YouTube video, I'm going to put a link in there that's going to take you through to this Convertri page where you're going to be able to get a free trial. Go ahead, you've got 14 days, you don't need to pay anything at all, and you can go and have a play with this system. Start creating some pages, just go and have a bit of fun. And over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you actually how to use this software to make money, how to create these pages, okay, which generate profits. These are all of my affiliate pages. This is what I drive traffic into that ultimately results in me getting paid. So Convertri is definitely one of the most important tools that I use within my business, hands down. So there we have it, my tool number one, Convertri. I hope you can just get kind of a great idea as to why this is an awesome tool, and in the next few weeks I'm going to be diving into so much detail with Convertri and just showing you how you can use this tool to create a passive online income. Now I would encourage you to go down below this YouTube video, grab your free trial, go and have a play with it guys, check it out. You've got 14 days, you don't need to spend a single cent. You can go and check all that information out. Now I want to move on to tool number two, the second tool that I'm using every single day in my business and is massively important to getting the results that I want. This is called Getresponse. It is an email autoresponder system. Let me show you exactly why I love this system. Let's go check out their page. Alrighty, here we are inside the Getresponse homepage, and this is the autoresponder. This is the email service that I choose to use in my business because I found that it has the best balance of price, functionality, deliverability. All of these things are really important to my business. And in fact, if we go and look at the pricing, you'll see that this is really not an expensive tool to have. Now, most of you are going to be on this first plan, I guess, because you're not going to yet have that many subscribers. And this is going to allow you to add up to 1,000 leads, so 1,000 email addresses that you can mail to. Now, you can send unlimited emails, guys, okay? So you can send however many emails you want, up to 1,000 subscribers can be added. Now, of course, you can choose to pay monthly, 12 monthly, or 24 or for 24 months, and you do get a 30-day trial. So again, on the link down below this YouTube video, I'm going to drop a link down there to get you guys that 30-day free trial, so you can also come and have a play with Getresponse and come and see what it's all about, see why I love it. Now, you can kick things off here, guys, for just $15 per month, and in fact you can get that down as low to literally $10, $10.50 per month there if you prepay for 2 years in advance. Now this is a really awesome opportunity because $15 a month, guys, is really not an expensive amount of money considering what email marketing can bring you in. Now, even as you grow your subscribers, you'll see that the prices don't get that expensive. So let's say we go up to 5,000 subscribers here, okay? It's only going to be $45 a month for the basic, or you can even bring the funnels in if you want to, which is $79. Now, I don't use this for funnel building because I use Convertri, which I showed you the first product there that we talked about. But if you want to take a look at that, you can. But honestly, basic is literally all you guys are going to need. $15 a month, guys, okay? This is really cheap, and you have to build an email list. Whatever you're going to do, and there's loads of different ways to generate traffic and build leads, but you have to, and I've got to stress the importance of this, build an email list because you want to own those leads. You want to have control, all right? So having an autoresponder and basically allows you to email these leads whenever you want. You can download those leads, obviously, and I would recommend you do. We do ours every week from Getresponse. We download the raw leads so that if anything happens with a Getresponse or with our account, we have those raw leads that we can then upload. We can then put them into another autoresponder platform, and we've tried Aweber as well, and we use Aweber. That's pretty good. But Getresponse right now, I believe, has the best deliverability, and that's basically how well the emails get delivered. Now, of course, you get full drag and drop ability, guys, Okay, so you can make some really nice looking emails, professional looking emails. Okay, and you can have up to 100,000 subscribers here. Okay, that's going to look at you, what's that, $450 a month. Now, if you're emailing to 100,000 people, you should be making a lot more money than $450 a month. Okay, now in terms of what I pay, so $15 a month, well, I pay a lot more than actually, I have more subscribers, but when I first started out, about $15 a month, that's literally going to be one affiliate sale, and you're going to make that money back. So if you can make more than one sale a month through your email list of 1,000 people, which I'm going to show you how to do, and it should be very easily done, okay, because we're going to be adding in targeted buyers, we're going to be getting buyer traffic that we're going to be using, and that's going to pay for your autoresponder, right? One sale is going to pay for your autoresponder. So it's really cheap, it pays for itself, and it's going to be the real important start to start looking at actually what's really needed to start an online business. So product number 2 that I just could not live without is Getresponse. And finally, my tool number 3 that I just couldn't live without is WordPress. WordPress plus an awesome theme. Now, there are several really great themes out there, and actually I'm going to put a link just up here now, up in the top, to a link to Moto themes, which is one of the best affiliate marketing themes that there are, and so you can check out that product in more detail. It's a product that I recommended a few weeks back to my subscribers. They loved it. I love it. I use it for some of my websites. It is an absolutely fantastic theme. So I'm going to put that link up there so you can go ahead and check that out. Now, those guys are the 3 affiliate marketing tools that I just can't be without. Convertri, Getresponse, and WordPress with a decent theme. Now, of course, WordPress, if you haven't got it, it's free to sign up. Okay, Convertri and Getresponse, I've got you trials. They're down below this YouTube video. Go down below, click on those links, go get yourselves a free 14 and a 30-day trial for those products so you can go have a play and be ready for the next video. Because in the next session, I'm going to be showing you the secrets of email marketing. I'm going to be showing you how to actually start building that list, start generating leads, and hey, who knows, maybe even generating cash. If you've got any questions, guys, about this video, make sure you do drop them down below. I hope you found this useful, and over the next few videos, I'm going to be talking in more depth about these and other programs. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you've hit that bell notification so you don't miss any more training. Wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next training call. Bye for now.